Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Caitlin from Florals.com and today I have a fun video for you. I ordered one of the Pinkfresh Studio grab boxes and it finally came. It came a couple days ago, but I'm finally getting around to filming it and sharing it with you guys. So I know there's a bunch of these and I did watch some of them to see what some people got, just to, get a little take on what I might be getting. So I'm going to share with you what I got. I did look inside, but not everything, so some surprises still to be had. So I'm going to turn it sideways since it fits better at my desk and not in my face. I guess we'll start with everything that's just on top. So first we have these Pinkfresh Studio Dream On rubber chips, and you can't really tell what's in there, but I do have some of the Dream On collection, which is nice. So there's a camera, some flowers, X's and O's, triangle pieces, a banner perhaps, a house, some little blue diamonds that I can't see what's on the other side, stars, and more flower pieces. And there's 11 rubber charms in there. And I've never had rubber shapes before, so that'll be really fun to try out. We have some glitter enamel dots, silver and gold, which I've had silver and gold before and I really love them, so easy to use up. I also got this stamp set. This is the Pinkfresh Studio You Are Invited Caitlin Schaefer design stamp set. Now I think we're going to do a giveaway with some of these items, so stay tuned to the end to learn about how you can win some of these beautiful things. You'll see in the end, but this is one of the items I'm going to be giving away. I know that I won't use it despite having the cutest confetti pieces, which would be really cute on cards, but I know I won't use this, and I really like how you have these journaling boxes you could use not just for invitations but all sorts of things. So again, stay tuned till the end to see how you can win this. We also have these Pinkfresh Studio Live More chipboard stickers. I believe I have the puppy stickers in this collection. So last year I also got a Pinkfresh Studio grab box. If you'd like to compare the two boxes, I'll have the last year's video linked down below. This one I believe was more expensive, but it came with exclusive items this year. Last year it was just 2 paper pads and then a bunch of embellishments. So this time we have exclusive things, which I'll point out which those are later on as well. But there's some beautiful chipboard pieces. Heads Up Gorgeous, Life in Pictures, Beautiful, Be Brave, Be Bold, Be You. Really, really cute. We have some puffy stickers. This is from the Pinkfresh Studio Boys Fort collection. I don't know why I keep saying everything's from Pinkfresh Studio, and this is obviously a Pinkfresh Studio unboxing, but these are from the Boys Fort collection. They're not their super puffy stickers, which I kind of like since those are more of a girly puffy sticker. These are more manly puffy stickers, which is absolutely perfect. I have 2 brothers, so always have boy pictures to scrapbook. Next up we have these, and I heard in someone else's that these are fairly new, and these are the tassel bows from the Mix No. 2 collection. But I have no idea how old they are or not. I also hope you guys can see everything. I know there might be a little bit of glare, but I'm hoping you can see everything still. At least it's still got some sunlight out here. Next we have the December Days foiled wood grain stickers, and these are gorgeous. Let's see if you can you see the gold foil? So pretty. So we have one that says 'Tis the Season, Let Your Heart Be Light. Love these. These will go in my December daily if I ever finish it. We have some other wood veneers. These are from the Boys Fort collection as well, and I really like the color scheme, how they match this color scheme, so they go really well together. Some of them are exactly the same, but since they're a different texture, it's really fun to work with, but there are different designs in both. Next we have the Live More paper clips, and these are very heavy paper clips because you have a metal bracket around the enamel section. But really, really cute. Again, I don't have any of the paper for Live More, but I do have some embellishments. So coordinating stuff I already have. We have a washi tape. I got this washi tape in my last grab box actually, and it has the days of the week on it. And this is from the Indigo Hills collection. And it's got like a distressed paint splatter pattern in like pastel colors. We also got this washi tape, which is blue glitter. The glitter's on the inside of the tape, not the outside. I'm not going to open this since it is glitter. But this will be in the giveaway as well. But again, I'll show you everything at the end that's going to be in the giveaway. Then we have these beautiful chipboard alphabet stickers from the December Days collection. And they're red with like gold ribbon around them, so they look like wrapped presents almost. And of course you get all the letters and some numbers and even some stars, which is really helpful. So those are adorable. I got the Pinkfresh Studio Boys Fort mini alphabet stickers, and you get 3 different colors, which I love miniature alphabet stickers, and I don't have enough of them, so I'm really glad that I got these. because they'll be really, really helpful on a bunch of smaller pieces like Project Life cards and just smaller titles on my scrapbook layouts. Also from Boys Fort, we have these fabric pennants, and of course they're not on the back. I would open these, but I don't need to read them all to you. There's some cute ones like friend, hello, you and me, always, and again, coordinating colors as per the collection. And then we also have these leatherette shape stickers from the Dream On collection. And again, I do have this paper collection from the last grab bag that I purchased, but not these embellishments. And these are really fun texture. And as you guys know, I really like to add texture to my layout. So these are super fun, and I can't wait to use these. I'm wondering how well they'll stick, or if you have to add extra adhesive. So that'll be fun to test out as well. And now come some of the exclusive items. These puffy stickers are one of the exclusives, just for this grab box as far as I know, but they're really cute. Love the color scheme. Super, super cute puffy stickers. And then we have the exclusive ephemera pack, which they don't have names since they're exclusive, but here is what's in it. So we have some tags, books, purses, lots of florals, which you guys know I love florals, some birds, and then some banners, more tags, a couple word pieces, little moments, yum, inspire, dream, candy pieces. There's a lot in here. Since I know there's a ton of grab bag box videos, I'm not going to show you the whole ephemera pack since this did come in every single one this year. And next up we have the paper. Now I'm going to set the box aside since this is going to be just paper now. What's nice about the paper from this year was it was loose paper. So last year everyone got 2 collection packs. This year it is all loose paper, so you could get any collection and any number of papers from that collection. I don't remember how many papers there are total, but we can count, or you can count while you're watching. I can already tell the one on top here from the Oh Joy collection I already own, since I got the Oh Joy collection last year. But I'll show you them all anyway in case you didn't see that, or in case you haven't seen these ones yet this year. So this is the Under the Tree paper from the Oh Joy collection. So last year, since you got collection packs, you got 2 of each sheet, so I'm not sure what it's going to be like this year. Jingle Bells from the Oh Joy collection. And again, these are very versatile. Like this one's beautiful. They're really pretty, so I don't mind getting them twice. Advent Love. I love this paper. I used it on some of my December daily pages, which again are on my channel in case you want to watch. Another one from Oh Joy. Really cute though, but super versatile. This can be perfect for a boys page because it's just trees. This one's new. This is the Escape the Ordinary collection. This is Wander. Love this color scheme a lot. Love this one a lot. That's going to be hard to decide which side I should use. And in case you also didn't know, these are relatively new collections. They're, I think, 2015 or newer, but we can check as we go along. Again, from the Escape the Ordinary collection, this is Explore. This would be really hard for me to use, unless it's like a title page in an album. But this side would be much, much easier for me to use personally. But that's just how I scrapbook. Next, we have some from the Dream On collection. Again, I do own this collection from last year's grab box, which is one of those things you have to be iffy about. When you buy multiple grab boxes from the same company, you could get repeats. Really pretty. This one's Delight from the Dream On collection. I don't think I said all the names of those, but if you'd like to know them, I can tell you in the comments down below. And I used this in a recent process video on my channel, if you guys remember. Boys Fort, we have Wowzers. This would be very difficult for me to use, I think, but this would be much easier for me to use. Then we have December Days, which you saw I just got a couple pieces from that collection in the haul here. This is the 'Tis the Season. I love this cut apart. This is the perfect color scheme. I just love it so much. And some cute little presents on the back. Back to Escape the Ordinary. This one's called Dare. I like how this has a mixed media look without the bulk and messiness of mixed media. And then we have like a tribal print on the back. Escape the Ordinary again. We have a cut apart sheet, which I'm all into cut apart sheets. I'd also like to tell you guys that this paper is very, very high quality. I remember when I first got my Pinkfresh Studio box last year, I thought the exact same thing, like super high quality, beautiful cardstock feeling. This one's really fun. Back to the Oh Joy collection, we have this Christmas tree pattern. And then the beautiful sprigs of holly. And that one's called Merry and Bright. This one's called 'Tis the Season. Again, Oh Joy collection, but a beautiful neutral pattern on the back. This one's the Dream On collection. This one's called Marvel. Beautiful basic patterns. This one's called Dream On and it's called Trance. Easily colorable in. Live More collection. This one's called Focus. Again, would not be able to use this side very easily, but I can use this cute confetti side. Then we have the Goals collection, or the Goals paper from the Live More collection. Also seems very hard to use, but I think I could pull this one off. It's got some cute sayings on it, as you can read. But I also like this side a lot for like a retro picture, perhaps from the 90s. That'd be cute. Live More Rise. Again, cut apart sheets are absolutely fun. There's just so many words on here. Together's the best place to be. Live life to the fullest and focus on the positive. And then the back side's another retro. Looks like that retro tile that used to be in houses and diners. This one's called Pines from December Days, and this is so, so, so pretty. I'm a sucker for blue pattern papers, and so is this side. I wish I got 2 of these, which I don't think I've gotten any duplicates so far. This is from the Indigo Hills collection called Blue Valley. Also gorgeous. Like this side, I would gladly sacrifice for this side. And then we have the Palisades from the Indigo Hills. Again, very hard for me to use. Much easier for Caitlin to use, but that's just, you know, a preference that I have. They're beautiful papers nonetheless. I could frame half of these and put them on the wall. This is called Fancy from the Dream On collection. And I really love the bow tie side. It's super cute. From Boys Fort we have Bold, which is a bunch of fun text words. Again, great for boy pages. Then we have this side, which is like a geometric pattern. We have the Game On from Boys Fort, which don't think I'd be able to use this one. But this one's really, really fun. Nice doodle print. We have Wisdom from the Boys Fort collection. This one almost hurts my face a little bit because the diamonds and then squares and then diamonds and squares, but I also kind of like it at the same time. But I love this side. Really, really cute. I think everything is cute, so that's probably why I keep saying it. This is called High Five from the Boys Fort collection. And these are really, really cute cut aparts. I like how they're all the same style, but different colors. Very, very cute. December Days. This one's called Candy Canes. Oh, I love both sides, but this is super neutral. You could use this for anything, any time of the year. It's beautiful. Live More Honest. I don't like this at all. I would gladly cut this apart and use half on one layout and half on a different layout, but I prefer this side much, much more. Cute for Valentine's Day and such. Indigo Hills Knoll. Got these adorable hills. And you've got this distressed looking background here. And then this one's called Knoll, like I already said. This one's called Dover, which I saw this so many years ago. It feels like a lot of people loved using this one. Or mimicking that one for mixed media, as well as this side. Really cute. I like the lemons or wheels. Very cute for summer pages. Indigo Hills Moorland. I have the matching washi tape that goes with this collection from last year's grab box as well. And then you have this side, which is also gorgeous. I love the mixed media look on this. I'm kind of into mixed media, kind of not. I'm still getting into it. Now, one thing that was special about this grab box was you got 3 specialty papers. I think it's 3. So I got this one from Indigo Hills called Gold Foiled Floral. And I'm trying to make sure you can see the foil. It's a very yellow gold, not a gold, if that makes sense. Super pretty. I don't have many specialty papers. This one's called Journey Foiled Vellum from the Live More collection. And it's got a teal-ish green, depending on which surface you put it on, and then some copper foil next to it, which is fun. And then lastly, I have this Spring Icons Foiled Vellum from the Dream On collection, and this is more of a copper color as well. So that was it for my Pinkfresh Studio grab box haul. And like I mentioned earlier, I planned on giving away some of these items, which I should have gotten out at the beginning, but I did not. So I'm going to grab those now. And to enter, I'm going to have you guys make sure you subscribe to my channel because I need your guys' support, obviously, and I appreciate it if you're already subscribed. But also leave a comment down below what your favorite Pinkfresh Studio collection is. No, let's not do that. Leave a comment down below with what video you want to see from me. I know you guys have given me so many great suggestions, and I'm in the middle of a move, which is why you're seeing a different surface and messiness all around the outskirts of this video, but you'll be winning this beautiful stamp set from Pinkfresh Studio, this washi tape from the Indigo Hills collection, and then this blue glitter washi tape. and probably some other goodies from me because I can't leave a package half empty. So if you guys would like to win this, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below with a video idea. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, let me know so I can make more unboxing videos. I don't buy a lot of grab boxes, but all the ones I have so far purchased, I'm very impressed and like a lot. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to comment down below so you can enter to win. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!